Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speak English Flow. I'm your host, Mohin, and today I think we're covering one of the most useful topics we've ever done.
Hi, everyone. I'm Emma, and I have to agree. This one is so important, like genuinely life-changing.
Emma, for anyone watching us for the very first time, do you want to introduce yourself?
Of course. So I'm Emma. I grew up in California. I love good conversations, iced coffee, and honestly, I love helping people feel comfortable speaking English.
And I'm Mohin. I started this channel because I know how hard it is to learn a new language, and I wanted to make English feel natural, human, not like a textbook.
Which is exactly what today is. Today, we're talking about something every English learner struggles with.
How to say no politely in English.
Smiling, without feeling rude, without feeling guilty, and without saying yes when you really don't want to.
Let's go. Oh, before we start, I want to say something real quick.
Yes, say it.
We put a lot of work into these videos. Emma and I spent hours writing, recording, editing, just to make sure every episode actually helps you.
Hours, sometimes days.
And the thing that keeps us going, honestly, is you, the person watching right now.
So if you enjoyed today's video, please hit that like button, leave a comment, tell us where you're from. We read every single one.
And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. It's free, it takes 1 second, and it genuinely helps us keep making content like this.
Okay, now let's talk about saying no.
Saying no is not rude. Saying no with kindness is one of the most powerful things you can do in English.
Okay, Mohin, let me ask you something. Has this ever happened to you? Someone asks you to do something, and you don't want to do it, but you say yes anyway?
Oh, wow, yes, many times. Actually, okay, I'll tell you a story. A few years ago, a friend called me. It was a Friday night. I was exhausted. I just wanted to stay home.
Mm-hmm.
And he said, "Hey, are you free tonight? We're all going out." And inside, I was thinking, "No, please, no, I am so tired."
And what did you say?
I said, "Sure, sounds fun."
Oh, no.
I know, and I went, and I was miserable the whole time because I didn't know how to say no. I didn't have the words, or I had the words, but I was scared to use them.
That is so relatable. And I think that's why this topic is so important, especially for English learners.
Exactly, because in English, saying no doesn't have to be harsh. It doesn't have to be cold. There are ways to say no that actually sound kind.
And that's what we're going to teach today. Real phrases, real situations. Let's start with the most common one. Okay, situation one. Your friend invites you to a party. You don't want to go. What do you say?
So, the first thing I want to say is, you don't need to give a big explanation. You don't need to lie. You don't need to say, "Oh, I'm so sorry, my grandmother's dog is sick and I have to..."
The classic excuse.
Right? We all do it. But actually, you can just be honest and warm at the same time. For example, Emma, invite me to your party.
Hey, Mohin, I'm having a little get-together at my place Saturday night. You should come.
Oh, that sounds really fun. I'm going to have to sit this one out, but I hope you all have an amazing time.
Perfect. Did you hear that? I'm going to have to sit this one out. That is such a natural, friendly way to say no.
And notice, I didn't apologize 5 times. I didn't make up a story. I just said it warmly.
Another option, and this one is great for when you want to keep the friendship warm, you can say, I can't make it this time, but let's plan something soon.
Yes, that phrase, "I can't make it," is so useful. It's short, it's honest, and it doesn't hurt anyone's feelings.
Let's say it together slowly.
I can't make it this time.
I can't make it this time, but let's plan something soon.
Okay, now, situation 2. This one makes a lot of people nervous. Saying no at work.
Oh, yes. This is a big one. So imagine a coworker comes to you and says, "Hey, can you help me with this project? I need it done by tomorrow." But you're already overloaded with work.
And this happens all the time, right? And a lot of people just say yes because they don't want to seem difficult. They don't want to be the person who says no.
But here's the thing. If you always say yes to everything, you can't do any of it well.
Exactly. So what do you say? Okay, Emma, let's do a little role play. You're my coworker.
Hey, Mohin, I know you're busy, but could you take over the client report for me? I'm completely swamped. It's due Friday.
Oh, I really wish I could help, but honestly, I'm at full capacity this week. I've got a few deadlines myself. Maybe you could check with Jake. He might have more bandwidth right now.
Okay, so good. Let's break that down. 3 things happened there.
1, I acknowledged her. I really wish I could help. That shows kindness. You're not being cold.
2, he was honest. I'm at full capacity this week. Clear, professional, true.
3, I offered an alternative. Maybe you could check with Jake. You're not just saying no, you're trying to help them find a solution.
That's the magic formula for saying no at work. Acknowledge, be honest, offer an alternative if you can.
And here's another phrase that works really well. I'd love to, but I have to be realistic about my schedule right now.
Ooh, I love that one. I have to be realistic about my schedule. That sounds so mature and professional.
Okay, situation 3. And Emma, I know you have strong feelings about this one.
Oh, I do. Okay, picture this. You're walking through a shopping mall. Someone in a booth stops you. They want to sell you something. A cream, a gadget, a subscription, whatever it is.
And they are very friendly, very enthusiastic.
Very. And you don't want it, but they keep talking, and you don't know how to stop the conversation.
This is genuinely one of the most uncomfortable situations in any language. And in English, a lot of learners panic because they don't know how to end it politely.
So let's practice. Mohin, you're the salesperson.
Okay, hey, have you heard about our amazing new skin cream? It removes wrinkles in 7 days. Can I show you something real quick?
Oh, thank you so much. I'm not interested today, but I appreciate it.
Are you sure? We have a special offer just for today.
I'm sure. Thanks so much, though. Have a great day.
That was really good.
And did you notice I was never rude? I never said go away or stop talking to me. I just stayed calm and repeated my no.
That is so important. When someone keeps pushing, you don't need to get louder or more aggressive. You just repeat, calmly, kindly, firmly.
I'm not interested today, but thank you. That's your go-to phrase. Warm ending, but clear message.
Another good one is, I'm all set, thanks. That's a very American phrase. It means, I'm good. I don't need anything. I'm fine.
I'm all set. Let's say it.
I'm all set, thanks.
Can I say something a little more personal for a second?
Of course.
I think one of the reasons people, especially English learners, struggle with saying no is because they don't want to seem rude. They think that saying no means you're rejecting the person, not just the request.
That's such a good point.
But it's not true. When you say no clearly and kindly, you're actually being more respectful. You're being honest. You're treating the other person like an adult.
And I think in a lot of cultures, and I can speak from personal experience here, we're taught that saying no is impolite, that you should always accommodate people, always say yes.
Right, and that creates so much stress, because then you're doing things you don't have time for, things you don't want to do, and you start to feel resentful.
Exactly. And you know what? A vague maybe is often more unkind than a clear no, because maybe gives people false hope.
That is so true.
So saying no is not selfish, it's honest. And honesty, delivered with warmth, is one of the kindest things you can do.
Okay, one more situation, because sometimes you say no and the other person doesn't accept it. They push back. They try again.
Oh, yes, the pushy pusher.
What do you do? Because this is where a lot of people cave. They said no, but then the other person says, "Are you sure? Come on, just this once." And suddenly they're saying yes again.
The key here is you don't need to give more reasons. You already said no. You don't owe anyone a long explanation.
Right. And giving more reasons actually opens the door for more arguments because they can respond to every reason.
So instead, you just repeat your no, calmly, kindly, but firmly, like a broken record.
The broken record technique. Let's show them. Emma, you're my friend. Push me.
Come on, Mohin, just come to the party for 1 hour. 1 hour, you'll have fun.
I appreciate you asking, but I really can't tonight.
But everyone's gonna be there, and it's only 1 hour.
I know, and I'm glad you want me there. But my answer is still no. I hope you all have an amazing time.
See how he never got annoyed, never raised his voice? He just stayed calm and kept his answer.
The phrase, my answer is still no, is really powerful. It sounds adult, it sounds confident, and it closes the door politely without drama.
And I appreciate you asking, but that's a great opener. It softens the no before it lands.
Okay, let's take a moment and bring everything together.
Today, we talked about saying no in social situations, at work, with salespeople, and when someone keeps pushing.
And the big lesson is, being polite doesn't mean being a pushover. You can be kind and clear at the same time.
Here are the key phrases from today's episode. Write these down.
I can't make it this time, but let's plan something soon. Perfect for turning down a social invitation without hurting feelings. I'd love to, but I have to be realistic about my schedule, professional and honest for work situations. I'm not interested today, but thank you. Warm but firm for salespeople. I appreciate you asking, but my answer is still no. Calm and confident when someone pushes back. I'm all set, thanks. A quick, friendly American way to say you don't need something.
And the one phrase I want you to remember above everything else?
Go ahead.
No, thank you. 2 words, that's it. It's enough. You don't need to explain. You don't need to apologize. You just say it warmly and mean it.
No, thank you. Simple, powerful, kind.
Okay, we're almost at the end of today's episode. And I want to be honest with you for a second.
Oh, I love honest moments.
Did you know that most people who watch a video enjoy it, learn from it, feel good, and then just scroll away? They never subscribe.
Please don't be that person.
If today helped you even a little, if you learned one phrase, felt a little more confident, or just enjoyed spending time with us, then please subscribe to Speak English Flow.
Because when you subscribe, you're saying, I want more of this. Keep going.
And that means everything to us. We'll keep showing up for you regularly with more real conversations, more stories, more English.
Just hit the button right now. It takes 1 second.
And leave us a comment. Tell us your name. Tell us where you're from. And tell us what's the hardest situation for you when it comes to saying no.
We really want to know. We read every single comment.
Thank you so much for spending this time with us today. It genuinely means a lot.
Keep practicing. Keep listening. And remember, saying no is not the end of a relationship. Sometimes it's the beginning of a more honest one.
Your English is growing right now just by being here.
We'll see you in the next episode. Take care, everyone.
Bye.